All right, the Congress from not really siding with the comments that were made by Prithviraj Chavan now have gone on to defend Chavan's remark. They are saying that he didn't say anything wrong. The government should not hide behind the Indian Army. Prithviraj Chavan did not question the army. This is what the Congress now is saying. The question is straight to the government, and the government should answer these questions without twisting what Chavan said. Take a look.
पृथ्वीराज चौहान जी ने जो कल वाक्य दिया, आज वो कह रहे हैं कि वो एक गलत तरीके से कंस्ट्रूट किया गया था, लेकिन एक अटैक, पहलगाम अटैक और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर, उस पर जांच करनी चाहिए। आप एज कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या स्टैंड ले रही है इस चीज में?
इस पे जांच अपनी जगह है, मगर इस पे जो ओपन पब्लिक डोमेन में जो चीजें है उसको लेके सरकार ने अपनी बात को रखना चाहिए।
सर, सरकार की तरफ ये भी आ रहा है कि ये इंसल्ट है डिफेंस फोर्सेस को, और पृथ्वीराज चौहान जी को उस पर जो है अपोलोजाइज करना चाहिए।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने हमारी आर्मी के पीछे छुपने की उनको कोई जरूरत नहीं। आर्मी को, देश के सभी लोगों को आर्मी पे नाज है। जो पीछे हुए सवाल है वो कोई आर्मी से, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से उनका संबंध नहीं। ये सीधा सवाल सरकार से, और सरकार ने अपना पल्ला न झाड़ते हुए इसके जवाब देना चाहिए। देखिए, उन्होंने क्या पूछा है, जो पूछा है उसको उसी तरीके से, उसी शब्दों के साथ उसका जवाब सरकार ने देना चाहिए। उन्होंने किसी प्रकार से गलत बात नहीं कही है।
Let me take this across to my colleague Yesha Kotak now, who's joining us. Yesha, are the Congress leaders not tallying their responses? On the one hand, we have had a reaction by Mr. Pramod Tiwari. He says the Congress has distanced itself from these comments that have been made by Prithviraj Chavan. On the other hand, there is this reaction now coming in from the Congress, siding with what Chavan has said.
Actually, this very statement comes in from Maharashtra Congress chief Harshvardhan Sakpal, wherein they've gone further to, in fact, support the statement of Prithviraj Chavan. In fact, when Sakpal was asked whether he thought if Prithviraj Chavan should apologize, he's gone further to say that there was nothing wrong in it. And Harshvardhan Sakpal, when he spoke openly about the same, also said that there are several reports earlier pinpointing to reports saying that there were reports by various international organizations which say that there were Rafale flights which were brought down during Operation Sindoor. So here, instead of questioning the statement by Prithviraj Chavan, like you've been speaking about earlier, there are some members of the Congress who've gone ahead to state that that they do not support the statement of Prithviraj Chavan. But here, Maharashtra Congress has openly come out in support of Chavan, saying that the inquiry that he is demanding is something that fairly should be done. Yes.
Right, absolutely. Yesha, the kind of response that we'd seen earlier from Prithviraj Chavan, where he'd spoken to reporters, it said that he is extensively going to respond to each and every query, while also suggesting that all of this that is being made into an issue by the Bharatiya Janata Party is only a diversionary exercise to stay away from talking about the privatization, the nuclear privatization bill. Are we going to see a press conference happening very soon by Mr. Chavan?
So, Prithviraj Chavan on that front has in fact refused to speak to media so far, stating that that his statements are being misconstrued. That's not what he really meant. In fact, he's gone further to comment, saying that the statement that was made by him was made because he was of the opinion that that the future of warfare would be through air, and which is where there should be some alternate options that should be in fact be thought of for the army. In fact, he's also gone further to say that he would not want to budge from the statement he made, and would demand that there should be a fair inquiry in the Pahalgam attack and Operation Sindoor. Also, like you rightly said, stating that his statements are being put out in open just so that there can be diversion tactics that can be done, when it comes to the nuclear privatization bill. So this is the stand that Prithviraj Chavan has put forth, and so far that we speak of, from Pune, where he was holding his press conference yesterday, he's already returned back to Karaj.
Okay.
But so far does not intend to, speak to media or speak further about the statement that was made by him. Yes.
Right, Yesha, thank you so much for joining us with all the latest.